This is a cooling tunnel that the cooling unit will generate the cold air in the tunnel. And the G80 has 5 HP condenser. It's a cooling fan inside of the cooling tunnel, so it has a very great cooling effect. So the mold will be moving from the depositing end to the end of the cooling tunnel and stay in there for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then they will go back at the bottom. This is the demolding plate. This will press the pin on the back of the mold. And then the pin will release the gummy on the front. And then we have the brush also all together to help to release the gummy from this mold. You can see there are 2 brushes help to demold it. And then after gummy drop from this belt, then belt will going to transfer it to the end of the line. Take a look at the end of the line. We have this special design to get rid of the extra gummies. They will drop directly from the belt to this drying tray. And here, this is the panel system for the cooling tunnel. Panel for the humidity. And also all the fan and chiller, dehumidification can all be managed here. Very easy to operate, very easy to manage.